muingi KNCHR nirenda minista wa ugitiri wa thiini prof kithure kindiki me hamwe na inspector general wa borithi japheth koome gwikana mituki cira uria ugumeiri mutongoria wa kanitha ya Good News International mackenzie hamwe na arumiriri ake. Kamiti ino niugete nimekuenda firigiseni ya guthikuria miri kuma mutito wa Shakahola guthii na mbere.
Recommend that he conducts thorough investigation to ensure that the perpetrators are brought to justice, especially those who bear the highest responsibility. These investigations should be expeditious and concluded reasonable.
Kamiti ino niugete nimekwenda firigiseni ya guthikuria miri kuma mutito wa Shakahola guthii na mbere. Atongoria a kamiti ino ni maugite mekwenda maabitha a borithi aria magondereire wira-ini wao kuma hindi ria riboti ya mbere yandikithirio mwaka-ini wa 2017 kuhingura thitango.
The negligence and failure of the criminal justice system, which released Mackenzie severally or failed to expedite hearings against him, and also the failure by the national security and administration structures left opposed to harm, injury, and abuse. The reason the exhumation was suspended is because of lack of storage. And 16, the followers were compelled to burn their identity cards and other documents. The survivors' fingerprints were collected for identification purposes, but they are yet to be issued with new identity cards to date.
KNCHR nirenda thirikari kwambiriria ceceni cia gucokereria mituguo bururi-ini niguo kugiriria mitino ta ino.
To get them to drop their beliefs is a process. And that's why we are saying that some of these people should not be facing the criminal justice system, but should be being taken through a psychosocial program to de-radicalize them, because we are victimizing them again.
Kiribotera Muthingi TV, njitagwo Joshua Njuguna.
Aya, ucio